This is my 4th day here in Banff, and everyone's been telling me that to get to popular places to avoid the crowds, I should go during sunrise. And I get it, because most people wouldn't want to wake up during a sunrise, and I don't like waking up at sunrise either. So while staying here in Banff for the last 3-4 days, I've found 3 lakes that are perfect for taking sunset pictures. First one's just next to me. It's the Johnson Lake, which is about a few kilometers away from Banff, and I would really recommend coming to this place during any time of the day, but I'm pretty sure it looks beautiful during the sunset. I mean, I'm not even exaggerating here. Just look at this place. Places like these do exist, and all you have to do is travel. So right now I'm not here during sunset. Let me fix exposure a little bit. But I will come back and I'll take a picture for you guys and I'll post it right now. Hi, I'm from the future. So I could not make it back to Johnson Lake during sunset, but I did find a picture of Johnson Lake during sunset on the internet, and this is how it looks. Let's get back to the video. And it is going to be a little bit crowded because it's very accessible, and the hike that goes around the lake, there's a little bit of an elevation, but it's a very easy hike, so there shouldn't be any problem doing it. But let's take another look. You can actually bring your lunch, have a picnic, or maybe dinner, enjoy this view. It can be better. I'll see you guys in the next one. So I have never driven a motorboat before, and they promised me it's not going to flip over. So it's raining and I'm in the mountains. Just look at that view. And I promise you guys, I am not making this up. This is not AI generated. So I'm not sure if I can come back today for a sunset photo of this place, but this place would look amazing during sunset. It's really cloudy and it's a little bit stormy, so I don't think it's going to clear up by sunset. But if you're in Banff, you'll have to check this place out, Lake Moraine, and if you can, rent a motorboat and drive in the lake. This is an experience of a lifetime. So I'm recording this portion of the video for the 3rd time now because I keep on forgetting to turn on the audio on my mic. Also, I'm really close to the 3rd location for this particular video where I'm suggesting you guys to take photos during sunset in such a beautiful place and not just rely on sunrise, because everyone will tell you to do that. I'm really close. Hold on to your seats. I'll see you guys when I get there. Just look at this. I know I might have a little bit undersold how beautiful this place actually looks. That's Vista Lake behind me. There's a hike you can take that leads you up to the lake, and there's so many different lakes you can access through the hike. But I'll keep quiet for 5 seconds. Just enjoy the view. So, if you're in Banff and you don't want to wake up early in the morning before the sun rises, this is number 3 on the list to come to places during sunset. I'm not underselling it. It's going to be an absolute amazing experience for anyone who decides to visit. So, also notable mention, I did go to Vermilion Lake, which is just on the edge of Banff town. The sunset over there actually looks like godsend, and there's a backdrop. You do have to visit that place as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll enjoy this view for some time, take it all in, because why not? If you like my videos, do hit that like button. It would actually help me a lot to grow my channel. Do hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And hello again from the Canadian Rockies.